How to keep skin healthy and glowing in 10 steps. How is the skin nourished? Blood and lymph supply nourishment to the epidermis. As the blood and lymph circulate through the skin, they contribute essential nutrients for the cells to grow and repair. There are a network of arteries and lymph vessels in the subcutaneous tissue that supply nutrients to the hair papillae, follicles, and skin glands. How does skin keep its form? The strength, elasticity and flexibility comes from two specific structures called collagen and elastin. Collagen and elastin are protein fibers which make up 70% of the dermis. The goal to keep skin healthy and glowing is to maintain the elastin fibers and collagen production. The 10 steps on how to keep skin healthy and glowing. Number 1. Use protection. Spread sunscreen all over exposed skin when out in the sun. UV rays break down the fibrous tissues and contribute to wrinkles and sagging. Number 2. Water makes your skin cells happy. Keeping your body hydrated will ensure easy distribution of nutrients to the epidermis. Number 3. Daily skin care regimen. Use gentle pressure when cleansing the face, especially under the eyes. Cleaning the outer layer of the skin daily will rid your epidermis of pollutants and dirt. Number 4. Moisturize day and night. Skin loves to be moisturized as often as possible. Moisturizing the surface will protect it and keep moisture in. Number 5. Adequate nutrition. Eating and maintaining a proper diet is essential in healthy cell and collagen production. Eat foods rich in omegas and antioxidants. Number 6. Avoid using tobacco. The nicotine found in tobacco constricts the distribution of nutrients to the epidermis. Nicotine also lessens the oxygen intake for the cells. Number 7. Sufficient sleep is essential. Sleep is important to all of your body systems. The skin is the largest organ on your body. Treat it well by giving it a good rest every night. It will thank you later. Number 8. Take your vitamins. To make sure your skin getting all of the nutrients it needs, supplement your diet with vitamins and minerals. Number 9. Do a cleanse or detox. Ridding your digestive tract of parasites and toxins will help your body to absorb the nutrients from food it needs. Number 10. Junk food and treats are okay in small amounts. You don't need to deprive yourself of the occasional sweet or salty snack, but do eat them in moderation. Healthy blood will produce healthy cells and maintain the strength of the fibrous tissues. Avoiding harmful substances and UV rays will prevent the skin from dulling and support a radiant glow instead. If you like the video, please subscribe and hit the notification button below for more informational videos. Thank you.